I just built my first AI product online, published it, and it's out for the world to see. I have zero tech background, zero coding experience, and I believe you can do the same thing. So if you want to stick around and see how I did it, let's dive right into it. The product that I built is called the AI Clarity System, and it's a system that I've been using for some time now. And I was able to publish it in just a matter of about a few hours. But this is not about that product. It's just about how I did it and how you can do it too. So if that interests you, I'll show you the process on how this is done step by step. So real talk, this took me about 3 to 4 hours and mostly was because I was making mistakes. I didn't have any guidance. I did not know exactly how to do it. I don't know how people do it. So it was me just really sorting out through the little intricacies of how to actually go about utilizing the digital product that I created, where to post it. I had no idea where to go. Gumroad was the one that I was suggested, and going with the setup of Gumroad and putting everything up was really the most time consuming thing of it all. Creating the digital product really was much faster than you believe it to be. And I'm not here to pretend that I'm an expert on anything, but we all have to start somewhere. And I want to make sure that you see the things that really take time to create and be transparent. That's the whole part of building in public. I'm not gonna not show you those areas because I think that's important for you guys to see. All right, so this is what I want you to take from all this. And is that you don't need to have a big audience. You do not need to have the perfect product. You just need to have a product that people believe it to be useful. Usually what I mean by that is that you need to have a problem that you feel that you have and that everybody else has, and you have a solution that you can package and put it out as a digital product. It's simpler said than done. You just have to brain dump all your thoughts and sort it out and pick one of those ideas and go all in onto that and make sure that you put it out there. Believe in yourself, trust yourself, it'll make it work if you are just consistent and persevering. All right, so let's dive into how exactly it is that I created my digital product. So the first thing is that you're gonna go to Claude online or the desktop app. I'd rather have you use the desktop app. It's gonna be so much better. The interface is very much similar to that. You just have a little bit more options and variability with things. But the first thing you're going to be doing is that you're going to be opening what we call a project. A project is going to be an area designated for a specific task that you want to do. So that's going to be on your left hand side at the top underneath Claude. We got new chats, projects. Click on that. Then we're going to go ahead, and I already created a project so you can create your own. Just click on the right button here, it says project, and you're gonna name it. If you already have an idea of what to do, which I already do, I already created a digital product, but we're gonna show you step by step. We're gonna name it exactly what the digital product is gonna be named. The AI Mental Clarity Okay, and then you can describe your project here. It just gives the AI model a little bit about what your goals are with this project. For now, we're going to leave it blank because we're going to be telling it in the chat within the project. So we're going to create the project, and now we're in that project. As you can see, it's not anywhere in your right hand side. All the projects are going to be here. So you're going to be starting it so it can appear and you can access it right away. So we're going to put it there. You can see that it appeared right there. So now I already created this. So I'm just going to show you how you can do the same thing. You just word vomit. My AI Mental Clarity will show you how to sort out those thoughts I already have it set up. So I'm just going to copy and paste so you can get an idea of what that looks like, okay? So this is the prompt that I gave it based on my brain dumped and the AI mental clarity system that I created. It sorted it out and organized my thoughts perfectly so that I can move around and utilize AI or Claude efficiently. Then you're going to go ahead and right hand click, paste it. And this is the instructions that we're given now to Claude to create the digital product that we want to do. So we're essentially recreating the exact same product that I created and posted on Gumroad. So this is it. You can read it. It's very simple, but this is more going to be for your own product. It's going to be much different than the one I created. So we're going to go ahead and click enter. And another thing, and I mentioned this on my previous video, is to make sure that you utilize the right AI model. For this, since this is a demo, we're going to use probably Sonnet. Opus 8 is going to be the best one after that, but it uses a lot of tokens and it may not, and my usage might run out. So I won't be able to show you the full setup here. This is for complete demonstration purposes only. When you do yours, please click the most complex tasks. It's going to give you the best results. Hit enter. It's going to start to analyze your prompt, and it might take a little bit of time depending on how complex is your idea. Now, I do want to mention that when you create a product, it will only take content from that project folder. It will not pull from your memories or any other chat that you have with Claude. And we'll dive into what that means, and so you can make sense of that. That's really important. We'll make a different video on that. I think I'm going to be making a video purely on just how to navigate Claude by itself. I think that's going to be a very much valuable video so you can follow along with no issues. And as you can see here, it's still thinking, it's creating a digital product, so it's going to be very slow per se, but it's getting everything from the ground up. So if you see that, just don't exit the chat, don't go try to do another chat, let it just run its course. It's going to be the best thing that you can do. All right, I'm going to skip the video until it generates it, and it will come back and show you how to put it all in a PDF file. All right, as you can see, it gave you step by step on how it was creating the digital product. We can go back here. See, I already ran out of usage. That's okay. It gives you step by step on how it's kind of internalizing what is that you want, making sure that it aligns with your values or how you want that project to look. So this is the digital product, and it automatically created a docs. So basically you can edit any of the information here. You'll have your name if you already have that in your profile, and everything that you need from that, okay? So this is exactly how I created my AI clarity system, which is really important because, I put this out on Gumroad, and it's you can pay as you want, what you think is worth it, or if you want to grab it for free. I'm completely giving this for free because I think it's a good start for me to show you guys how easy it is and how you can easily attain this and put it out there for the public. But this is a docs, right? So we want to make sure we make it into a PDF. So we're going to do another one, another prompt where we tell it that it did a great job, but we actually want a PDF file after that. Hopefully, if you read through it and everything looks exactly how you envision it to be, that's why we have a docs, because you can continue to edit anything that you think it got wrong, or you want to make sure that everything is correctly, exactly how you want it to be. But let's say that this is perfect and I now want it in a PDF file. I just do this, create this prompt, which just says, this is great. Now format it into a clean professional PDF I can sell. Organize it with clear headers and sections, with each prompt on its own easy to copy block, generated as a downloadable PDF file. And then we'll do that. But I already hit my limit. So this is one of the things that we're going to be talking about next time. I've been using this for a long time, so that's why. But you can also change models and see if it works. But I believe that it's the only option that I have. Let's try Opus 6. No, it won't let us. Anyway, this is a real, again, you get to see my flops. You get to see the barriers that no one else will show you, which I just hit, and I will publicize. But yeah, there's barriers to this. You know, you have usage limits on how much you can utilize Claude, and there are different models, and sometimes it can be a little roadblock. You can always upgrade depending on how much you use Claude for your systems. Is gonna vary on the monthly subscriptions. I have the $20 a month one for full transparency, and I am not ready to upgrade for the next one. But this is how you create the AI clarity system or any digital product. I'll show you how to upload it into Gumroad next. All right, so now we're gonna upload our digital product into Gumroad. So all you start doing is that you're gonna go to gumroad.com, create a profile. Once you're there, you're gonna go to your dashboard. Then when you're in the dashboard, you're gonna have to go through all these steps to create your welcome dashboard, make an impression, show time, link your bank account so you can get monetized, so people can pay you and you actually can receive the money from the people who want to give it to you. You're going to go to products. As you can see, my AI clarity system is going to be there. I just uploaded it and it's been published, but we're going to show you how to do it on your own. So you're going to create a new product. Then we're going to go ahead and select the type of digital product you want to put on your dashboard, which is going to be digital product. So we're going to have it there, and we're going to pretend that we're uploading the same product here. We're going to call it something different though. AI mental clarity 2. And then you're going to go ahead and customize it. You're going to set the price point here. Again, we're going to just leave it as US dollars. You can choose any other currency if you feel. We're going to put it at $0, or let's go ahead and put it at $9.99. Why not? If you know the value of your digital product, so put the money that you believe people should pay for it. That's something that it's really important to do. Next, we're going to go ahead and customize. And you're going to put the description below here. You can type that up, but I'm just really trying to show you how to do that. Upload your videos or images of the cover, a thumbnail, a summary of all of it, and make sure that you actually add the actual product, which is going to be the content. So we're just going to leave it like that for now. We're going to go save and continue. And this is where you're going to be uploading the digital product. So you're going to upload your files. It's going to be from your computer. So you're going to click on computer files. Then you're going to click on the AI mental clarity system. See, I created my own cover and my own thumbnail. So that's there, and here it is. And you click open and it uploads. I'm not going to do that because I already did that and I don't want any double digital products in my dashboard. But then after you've done that and you review everything, you publish and you continue, and that's it. And then now your digital product is live out in the internet, and everybody can see what you got going on. Everybody can pay you exactly the money that you asked. For me, I put it at $0, as pay as you want. You can put I can receive anybody who sees value in it, and that's it. That's how you create a digital product. It's really simple. Again, you just need someone to kind of have you walk through all of this, which I get it. We all need it. I need it. And once you learn the system, it's just about repetitions. The more repetitions you do, the more comfortable you are with it. The more comfortable you're with it, the more digital products you create, better, complex digital products that people can see value in. And that's how you get the ball rolling. If you want the AI clarity system, I will put the link on the bio or in the description of the video. If you want to continue to see me create digital products from scratch, step by step, stay tuned, subscribe, comment, like the video and share. I'll definitely appreciate that. I like feedback, so let me know what you guys thought of this particular digital product that I created. Until the next one, we'll see you again.